This is Google Pixel 4 XL and today in this video I am going to testing details camera review after Android 13. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. The smartphone comes with dual camera setup, 12.2 megapixel main sensor with 1.7 aperture, 16 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom with 2.4 aperture, and the front is come with dual selfie camera, 8 megapixel main sensor with 2.4 aperture, and last one 3D sensor for depth and biometric. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120fps slow-mo video, and the video quality is average quality. So now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with lot of details. All the image color correction dynamic range is excellent. So as you can see that all the images look so nice. So we are also know that Google Pixel famous for the photography. So this is the camera phone. Now talk about the portrait mode. Yeah, portrait mode is also very good. No matter where you are taking, low light, daylight and night is perform excellent. So now talk about the night photography. Yeah, night photography is still pretty good. All the image color correction sharpness is so good, and the night mode is also help you to take a better picture in a night. And the 8 megapixel selfie camera is also very good. Color correction dynamic range is so good. So let's see more picture sample. And by the way, Google Pixel 4 XL long time full review and gaming review coming very soon. Don't miss the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.